back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting work from home job opportunity for you. This one is going to be a 1099 contractor role, but the schedule is flexible. You can pretty much work whenever you want to. So this is one of those things that you can do working in between other jobs as a little bit of a side hustle to make extra money. The links to apply and everything I share are down in the YouTube description box below this video. And of course, if you find this job lead helpful, please thumbs up like this video, as that gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone. But the company 3Play Media, they are normally known for their transcription jobs that they have available, but right now they are hiring a voice writer. Now, what is voice writing? They do have a video on their website that goes over it, but basically what you do is you are at a live event through WebEx or Zoom, or you are watching videos of a recorded event, and you're listening to the speaker speak, and you're actually just repeating back and recording yourself saying what they say. So if somebody says, "Welcome to this event," you would then repeat and go, "Welcome to this event." What could be easier than that? You simply listen to what they say and just repeat it back. That is simply it. Now, their webpage does go over the flexible scheduling. It says as a voice writer, you get to choose the jobs that you want to take and that fit your schedule. Of course, you'll have to have access to a headset, computer, and a strong internet connection, so they do not provide any equipment for you. You have to have that yourself. Of course, you have to have great verbal communication and listening skills, and some events can run long, so you need to be able to sit for long periods of time, up to an hour and a half at a time, and be a multitasker, because you need to switch between listening and speaking. Now, they will require you to complete a background check before you start work. Now, pay is not detailed on this page. I do have it linked in the YouTube description box below, but it has been said that 3Play Media voice writers make up to 50 cents per captioned minute. So if you have to stop the video and rewind it because you missed what they said and then start again, and it takes you 2 minutes to speak 1 minute of audio, you're only getting paid for that 1 minute of audio that you have completed. However, if you can really multitask and keep up, 60 minutes of audio is $30 an hour. Plus, if you're doing a live event, if you are voice writing a live event like a Zoom call or something, they are going to pay you up to 20 minutes of check-in and prep time, because you've got to get yourself checked in, set up, and ready to go. So when they start speaking, you are ready. They pay you up to 20 minutes of prep time. That 20 minutes times that 50 cents a minute is $10. So you get paid $10 to set up and prep, and then you'll get paid the $30 for speaking the hours. An hour-long gig could pay you up to $40. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.